for the day, and not bad actually. What looked like a quietly positive start, we're finally closing in at the highs of the day, 11,277. It's a solid 91-point move that you're seeing. European markets as well, remember, have had a positive start for themselves, so that sort of is rubbing off in our markets. Although you'd have to say that compare with Asia as well as the European markets, we are actually the region outperformers. So closing in at the highs, the breadth as well has been pretty strong, well in favor of the advances. About 100 stocks standing to the advances, even though names like Reliance, Bharti, SBI, Sun Pharma, Cipla, Dr. Reddy's have gone home losers. There's been phenomenal strength across the auto as well as media universe. So Eicher Motors almost a 5% notch up. Hero MotoCorp as well, about a 4.8% move. Z goes home 4.7% higher. Hindalco holds up very smartly. And then, of course, you've got a good move coming in for a Bajaj Auto, a TechM, a Coal India and ONGC as well. From within the broader universe, NTPC held out very strong, about a 7.5% uptick there as well. Sun TV, Z were both the names from the media universe, but spiked up quite nicely. Motherson Sumi, after a bit of a break on Friday, is back in the game. So about another 6% higher there as well. Escort saw a very solid move, and Jindal Steel as well held out very smartly. On the flip side, some red ticks for Apollo Hospitals, for Chola Finance, for MRF, for an MGL, a Petronet LNG, IDFC First, and Oro Pharma are where you saw some dips come in. Avan?
Well, yes, indeed. Those have been some of the movers in trade, but Sun TV certainly caught our eyeballs, as you just flagged off, Aisha. Remember, they came out with their numbers. The subscription revenue has been higher. The management spoke about getting back to those pre-COVID levels, and brokerages continue to remain very upbeat on the stock. With respect to the AGR case, remember, Reliance Jio filed that fresh affidavit in the Supreme Court, and you just had the news coming out. Harish Salve saying that the company not involved in any IBC proceedings. So that too continues to remain a newsmaker. Watching out for Dish TV, Z Entertainment, because it will be coming out with its Q1 numbers tomorrow. This is, remember, owing to the fact that just a month ago they delivered their Q4 numbers, which was a very bleak performance. So we'll have to see what the company doles out for Q1. Glenmark has been a result reaction, solid traction that you've seen in the operational performance, the EBITDA beat on the back of cost controls. You had ICICI Bank with respect to that QIP at 358 rupees per share, 15,000 crores. United Breweries, it was a loss of about 114 crores. The pandemic has clearly impacted earnings. Berger Paints, another result reaction. Something like RIL has been a newsmaker as talks, it seems like talks are on to acquire Urban Ladder and Milk Basket. So that too has kept that stock in focus. Let's get